Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a cinematic effects in Filmora with just one click. Super fast, super easy, so let's jump in. First start by opening the Filmora app and click on the new project. And then here you can import your video clips and then drag them into the timeline. Then if you're using the latest version, Filmora has a preset or instant mode feature. This includes the ready-to-made cinematic templates that instantly add a color grading, transition, and more. If it's available, you can use that. And then also you can use and then go to effects tab. You can look for the categories like cinematic style. Just search cinematic effects and there will be a result. These are the pre-built cinematic filters that transform your footage instantly. And then here, just one click application, choose your favorite cinematic look, and then you can add your footage that is being transformed. And if you want to more control, you can click the video, just go to color, and then you can tweak the brightness, contrast, and saturation to match your style. With just one click, you can make an cinematic effects. And there you have it, a professional cinematic look with just one click in Filmora. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and then hit the button and then ring the bell so you don't miss any editing hacks. Thanks for watching.